and welcome to our very first slime video.
Today we're going to be showing you the ingredients for slime that we gathered.
So, here are some tips. We have glue, borax, too many containers, fine and colorful glitter shakers, and food coloring.
So, 1 gallon of this glue was $22, but both of these gallons together were $28. And this borax from Amazon was about $20, but from Canadian Tire it is only $6. And the glitter from Amazon is about $10, but these are only $2.50.
These are the fine glitters. They are very colorful and they contain 12 shakers.
And these are the more chunky glitters, and they are very colorful and contain 12 shakers too.
This food coloring kit is only about $10 and it contains 12 colors. It comes in liquid colors and gel colors, and they are really cool to use.
And these mini containers from Amazon, they were about $10, but from the dollar store, they are $1.25.
So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
Bye!